Hi friends, today we have the chapter 10. We're going to use this as a review today. I'm not going to do it as a test, so we'll go over all of these. You'll need your pencil today. You'll also need a red crayon, a blue crayon, a green crayon, and a purple crayon. Okay. Oh, sorry friends. Number 1, use blue to color the sphere. So which one of these is a sphere? Yeah, this one right here. This is the sphere. Use green to color the cylinder. Which one is the cylinder? Yep, this one. Use red to color the cube. Okay, 2 shapes left. Which one is the cube? Okay, and use purple to color the cone. So that's got to be our last shape. Number 2, mark an X on the object that rolls and does not stack. So we've got 3 shapes here. We've got a block, which is really a cube. We've got baseball, which is a sphere. And we've got a cylinder. Okay. So rolls but does not stack. Cube does not roll. A cylinder rolls, but a cylinder also stacks. So the only one that's left is the sphere, which rolls. But I can't put 2 spheres on top of each other. I can't stack those. So it has to be this one. All right, number 3, circle the words that describe a cube. So does a cube have a flat surface or a curved surface? I've got my cube right here. Ooh. Yeah, all of the surfaces are flat on a cube. Okay. Mark under the shape that is the same shape as the object at the beginning of the row. So what shape is this globe? What 3D shape is that? Which one of these matches this cube? Even just looking, it is the sphere. It's the same shape as this object. They're both spheres. All right, the same thing with the next one. Which one of these shapes is the same shape as this object here, as this party hat? Yep, right next to it. Okay, number 6. Mark under the cube. So which one of these is the cube? Yep, it is this one. All right. Number 7, mark beside the number that shows how many flat surfaces a cylinder has. So here's my cylinder. You can see here, I see a flat surface here. 1, 2. A cylinder has 2 flat surfaces. All right, on to the next page, number 8, inside the fish. Mark under the shape that is flat. So that means, friends, which one of those shapes is not a 3D shape? Which one is not a 3D shape? So I know that this one is 3D because look, it's got a surface here, a surface here, a surface here. This one, you can see kind of the highlight here, and you can see a flat surface on the top. So this one's gonna be 3D. Same with this one. Oh, I see a shadow here and a little highlight right there to let me know that it's round. Kind of like the light shines off of my sphere here. It's doing it with this sphere here. This one, this is a flat shape. This is just a square. See how this one also has a shadow. This one has a shadow. It only makes a shadow. I don't know if you can kind of see it around the edge of here. If it's a 3D shape. If I have just a square, there's no shadow. You can see there's a shadow on this one right here. There's no shadow, it's just flat. Okay, number 9. Mark under the set that shows a cube above a cylinder. So these are those position words we've been using and talking about. Which set shows a cube above a cylinder? Yeah, it's this one right here. Here we have a what? Yep, a sphere above a cube. Then we have a cylinder above a cube. Then we have a cube above a cube. But, so sorry friends, we are looking for a cube above a cylinder. So it's got to be this one. Okay, number 10. Mark under the set that shows a cylinder beside a cube. So we are looking for a cylinder beside a cube. Does this set show a cylinder beside a cube? No. Here we have a cone next to a sphere. How about this one? Do we have a cylinder next to a cube? Yeah, we do. Let's just check though. Here I have a sphere next to a cube and a cube next to a sphere. Or I'm sorry, next to a cone. So this can't be it and this can't be it. This is the cylinder beside a cube. Okay, number 11. Mark above the shape that is behind the cube in the truck. So the truck is facing this way, so this is going to be the front. So which one of these is behind the cube? The sphere right here. This one's right behind. Okay. Grab your 4 crayons again. Using your red crayon, I want you to color me the 3D shape that is only a curved surface. There are no flat surfaces on this shape. Which shape is that? That has no no flat surfaces. Yeah, it is the sphere, and I'll show you why. And we've looked at it before, but I'll explain again why it's not the cone. And I'm doing a sloppy job coloring, friends. I would hope that you would do a better job. Okay, so here is my cone. It's got the line, so it's got a curved surface, but what about the bottom? The bottom of my cone is flat. So that one can't be the shape I just described. With your blue crayon, color me the shape that has 6 flat surfaces. Which one of these has 6 flat surfaces? Yeah, the cube. Remember, I looked at a cube and I numbered all of the sides for us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A cube has 6 flat surfaces. Oh, these are big shapes. Okay. With your purple crayon, color me the shape, well, that has 2 flat surfaces. So we have a cone and a cylinder left. Which one of those has 2 flat surfaces? Yeah, it is the cylinder. A flat surface here and a flat surface here. So with your purple crayon, go ahead, color the cylinder. Okay, and finally with your green crayon, color the shape that has 1 flat surface. Which the only shape is left is my cone, which has 1 flat surface on the bottom. So with your green crayon, go ahead and color that cone. All right, friends, that concludes our work with 3D shapes. I know that this was a really difficult lesson and just chapter in general. I know a lot of friends were having a hard time understanding. That's why I didn't want to make this a test. I wanted it to just be a review of the shapes that we've worked on this chapter. Once we finish the next 2 quick chapters, I'll probably go back and we'll probably review 3D shapes a little bit, just to really hammer home those 3D shapes. And hopefully, I haven't figured out quite how yet, but I want to get some 3D shapes in your hand and some flat shapes, and just have you be able to look at them and hold them and touch them and really experience them how I wanted you to if we had done this chapter at school. Okay, friends, nice job. Way to persevere through all of that. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.